this video, you'll learn how to use the Livewire tool, which is a great tool to automatically find the boundary of a structure based on its intensity values. First, let's have a look how to activate it. In the sidebar, you want to make sure that you're in Edit CBCT mode and that you've selected one of the anatomies in the anatomy selector. Finally, in the display section, we also want to have selected at least one of the views. In this case, I've chosen the actual view to make the edits. Let's close the sidebar and have a look at the toolbar. The Livewire tool is a 4 tool in the toolbar and can be selected by clicking on it or by using the 4 key on your keyboard in order to toggle it on or off. The Livewire tool has 2 modes. The first one being the paint mode in order to add segmentation, or erase mode in order to remove it. For now, let's leave it in paint mode. As you can see, for the purpose of this video, I've removed part of the segmentation already. We will try to edit again using the Livewire tool. I will find the lowest slice where the error starts and then put my first point on the boundary of the mandible. Next, I will move my mouse to a second point and see that the contour is following the boundary of the mandible and ends up in the second point that I'm about to put. Next, I will put a third point. This third point makes a connection between the second and the third point, but also tries to find the optimal path back to the original point. We can click here and also place a fourth point on the contour, even though in this particular example, it doesn't seem necessary. When I'm happy and I want to make sure that the segmentation gets closed, I can press the Enter key or the spacebar in order to close the contour. Now I will scroll upwards to find the final slice where the error occurs. Over here. I will again do the same thing and close up the segmentation around the mandible by placing these points. Now that I'm happy, I will again press Enter, and now the segmentation will be closed. As you can see, an automatic interpolation between these slices occurs. Even though I've only placed 2 contours, a contour has been generated on the other slices as well. When I'm happy with these contours, I can press Apply in order to fill them with the segmentation map. As changes have been made to the segmentation map, the 3D model will now start reloading in order to fill the gap that I've just created. As you can see, we have now fixed the error using the Livewire tool. In the next video, we will talk about how to use the thresholding tool.